iPhone microphone.
I've got to go out the other way to show you the rain because it's coming into the back area and getting onto the carpet. I'm going to show you out the other way where the rain is. In fact, come and listen to it as it pours onto the bathroom roof, onto the skylight in here, or it's pouring onto the roof in my bathroom. Not in the bathroom, but you know what I mean. That's what it sounds like in the bathroom. And if I go out this other way, I don't know if it's the back or the front, it's supposedly the back way. The front way is where the balcony is. There's no access to the front, but there is access to the back, which is out here. This is what the rain is like out this way. That's what the rain sounds like. And now I'm gonna go to bed for the night and wake up really super bloody early tomorrow after I have a massive drink and have a read of some blogs. And I need to put some say it again. I need to go to somebody's blog, which I'm sure I've got the list. Excuse me, and I'm going to I'm going to add, well, I have a feeling that this lady's blog is still in my blog roll, but it's not in my WordPress app reader, which kind of sucks. Because I'm like, why am I not getting any of this person's posts? And then she wrote a link in Guide Dog's Coffee Lounge, which is a closed group on Facebook. And, yeah, I'm bloody well still trying to find out where her blog is. I mean, I can click on the blog link in the Facebook page, which I will if I don't have her blog post. Her blog in my blog list then yes, I'll have to click on her post, which I will do that. And yeah,
minus 16.603.
Shut up, computer. Be quiet. Then I will I'll check if her blog is in my blog roll, and I'll click on that. If it's not there for whatever reason, I'll click on the link in the Facebook group page in her post there, and I'll get her blog back, won't I? So yeah. So my teeth are brushed, now I've got to get the floss out and I've got to floss my teeth. This is what I do to get the floss onto my right hand. Bit hard for me to show people how I do it because I can't do videos like sighted people can. No worries. Oh well. Getting the floss going. And next week on Thursday. I've got to decide if I'm even going to go back yet. I'm not liking some things about the group. The hiking group, they're a bit snobby, like, be like us or we're going to try and press you out of coming. They won't just try and stop us from coming back, they'll put pressure on us until we don't. Snobby little bastards they are. Anyway, let's see how we go next week. Now I'm going to floss my teeth. I'm getting quicker every time I do it. It's like I'm getting better at it.
Alert, low battery.
I've noticed since I've been flossing that I can eat fruit without getting sore teeth. Would you believe? Never thought the day would come that I could eat an orange without a sore tooth. But hey, I can. That's the bottom of my mouth done already. It used to take me 10 minutes just to do each part of each jaw, top and bottom, so 20 minutes. Now it only takes me 10 minutes to do my teeth. Ever since I've been flossing them, my teeth have been less sore. Front tooth is a bit of a worry, but they're going to fix that. The front tooth is a worry and the front bottom tooth is a worry. But the rest of my teeth are fine so far. Again, that's better. Teeth are a bit difficult to clean sometimes. Jesus, a bit hard to clean, but they're better than they were. Better than they were 6 months ago. And when I go to the dentist, on Valium, I'm going to do a recording. And the very next day after I wake up, I'm going to edit it to make sure there's parts of my life, such as handing over banking details, etc., that are not recorded in my recording. Because I don't want everyone hearing my credit card number or anything like that. Credit card number and Medicare number and all that. Ugh. Make sure that my back teeth are flossed properly. Okay. And these other front teeth here are done very well. Otherwise they're gonna fuck up on me. I'm gonna get the sides of those teeth. So like that. That's a bit hard to do when they're crooked. There we go. Sides of my other tooth. Oh, that's not very good, but I'll try to do it. There. Can't do it properly. Oh, that's a bit fucked. Got it done a bit better. Then got all my teeth flossed. And I remember 6 months ago when I started flossing my teeth, I had blood in my mouth and got sick all the time. And things like guttache and that. Now, I don't get anything. I don't get sick or spew up or guttache or whatever. I just have clean teeth and I'm fine. So there you go.
Low power mode.
It's me
button.
fixing my teeth.
Close. Button. Pause. Stop.